Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the possibility that the Thai business visa might see a fast tracking in coming months or maybe even in coming days. In a recent article from the Bangkok Post, the article is titled "Envoys Urge Rule Reform." That's bangkokpost.com. Quoting directly, 5 ambassadors from developed economies met at the U.S. ambassador's residence in Bangkok last week to call for Thailand to undergo regulatory reform, which should ease doing business, in addition to allowing fast-track access for essential business travel as the U.S. thrashes out its political turmoil. Quoting further, the Japanese ambassador called on Thailand to adopt a fast-track entry procedures for business people that Japan has already established are from low-risk countries, such as South Korea and Vietnam. So basically, Japan is saying, look, we've done this fast tracking, and we think it'd be a good idea, maybe Thailand think about doing a fast tracking as well. And we've discussed this previously. Thai policymakers have been discussing this at length. I think there are major concerns with respect to the cost-benefit analysis at a policy level with respect to fast-tracking this, the economic benefits associated therewith, and at the same time the possible negative consequences of, basically the public health consequences that could run negative to fast-tracking too many people. Now, I don't really have an opinion one way or the other on this. My point in making this video is it's still under discussion. It has yet to be promulgated. We've yet to actually see any fast-tracking directives being initiated or implemented or handed down. But it seems logical that if there was going to be a fast-tracking, if that was going to happen, it would probably happen in the business visa realm before it would happen anywhere else, because there are more benefits to be weighed against negatives when looking at it from a business standpoint. They can basically, policymakers can say, look, if we let in X number of investors into Thailand or potential investors, we could see X amount of increased foreign direct investment, for example. And I'm just pulling that out of the air, but there's definitely more possible benefits to be had by seeing B visas fast-tracked, in my opinion, compared to other types of visa holders. That's not to denigrate other types of visa holders. I could just see from a policy perspective, that would be the one you'd be looking at first.